Maha, I believe several anti-corruption bills, most of them pet of Rahul Gandhi, are listed for discussion in the Rajya Sabha. But considering the stalemate that has gone for almost a week now, what are the real expectations?
Well, in the Rajya Sabha, Ruchika, as you were rightly pointing out, the whistleblower bill has been listed. It was listed last week as well. In the Lok Sabha, the prevention of bribery to international public officials and to public officials in international organizations. Apart from that, speedy delivery of goods to citizens and grievance redressal are the three anti-corruption bills that have been listed since last week. But because of constant adjournments over the Telangana issue, none of the bills have been able to be taken up. Now, the government, of course, Ruchika, as you understand, is extremely keen to take up the 6 anti-corruption bills that Rahul Gandhi himself had said that should be taken up along with Lokpal to actually make India a country where graft is not the norm. However, we are seeing that because of the constant adjournments on Telangana, none of these crucial bills that could boost the image of Rahul Gandhi in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections are really going through. Even a discussion on them is not possible. Meanwhile, the opposition, which clearly understands that these bills could come in handy during the campaign of the Congress in the forthcoming elections, they are, without saying that they will not allow the House to function, are letting the Seemandhra MPs continue doing what they are, that is trooping into the well of the House and stopping any function of the House because of Telangana, because it comes in handy for the opposition to not allow the House to function without really being part of it. They continue to say that the House should be in order before any important bill is taken up because they want a thorough discussion. And their point is also valid, Ruchika, for the simple reason that some of these bills still have quite a few loopholes and they need to be thoroughly discussed in both houses before they are passed. We are likely to see chaotic scenes in both houses today, with Seemandhra MPs like last week trooping into the well of the House and stopping any discussion because their demand for Hyderabad being declared a union territory has been rejected by the cabinet. Right. The Telangana bill has been cleared by the cabinet. It has gone to the president and is now likely to come up in parliament tomorrow or day after, and they clearly do not want that.
Maha Siddiqui reporting from outside Parliament on these key developments that are expected to take place today. Well, clearly it's the last session before the national elections and all the parties sticking to their positions. Very little work that is being transacted in both the houses of Parliament.